So, let's look at the connection between lava and magnetism today and work through how the lava is helping shape the magnetic flow through the realm. So science, which let me say, I normally disagree with due to the misinformation they portray, says the Earth's magnetic field source is the molten iron and metals in the core. They also say the spinning of the Earth produces the same effect as electric current in a coil, which then produces our magnetic field. Now, if lava itself flows under the surface in different layers of our world, this lava is consistently moving and mixing with different metals and minerals of the Earth as it does so. One of the main minerals is magnetite, which is now mined as iron ore. The magnetite is a mineral and one of the main iron ores, with the chemical formula Fe3O4. It is one of the oxides of iron and it is ferromagnetic. It is attracted to a magnet and can be magnetized to become a permanent magnet itself. It is the most magnetic of all the naturally occurring minerals on Earth. This is carried all through the realm. As we, the APM team, have learned, the world is littered with volcanoes in a wide range of size, many very active and many lie dormant waiting. None, I believe, are extinct. Rock magnetism is the study of magnetic properties of rocks, sediment, and soils. This is studied to understand the Earth's magnetic field. Now, when we add in the factor that most volcanoes contain silicon, we get a different idea about the production of the magnetic flow on Earth. The layers below are magnetic circuit from the lamination of silicon steel that maximizes the flux density and minimizes the eddy current. When we look at this in the terms of lava flow, we can get a good idea of what's going on here. The movement of the lava flow through the circuit of the underworld layers is actually creating the magnetic flow through the world. When we look at the ley lines, we see that they indeed fall on lines of volcanoes, even the dormant ones that lie waiting and still have pyroclastic flow in the layers below. All crustal rock contains some iron or iron compounds, rendering it ferromagnetic. When individual molecules, which are magnetic dipoles, are held in alignment by being bound in a crystalline structure, the small fields reinforce each other to form the rock's residual field. Heating the material adds internal energy to it. At the Curie temperature, the vibration of the molecules is sufficient to disrupt the alignment. The material loses its residual magnetism and assumes whatever magnetic field might be applied to it. As the volcanoes erupt and cool, they hold the magnetic field memory in it. Once this occurs, it is locked into place and very hard to destroy. So what lava also shows us is a record of the paleofield direction on Earth. Now we have our north-south flow of magnetic flow occurring, but there is a second flow that is a lesser flow, and it's the east to west. As the north and south flow weakens, it allows a flip to occur of the poles. When this flip occurs, it will affect all life on Earth, including our heaven rotations, our oceans, our magnetic driving energy force, animal and plant life, and probably our DNA, as we ourselves are crystalline structured beings that conduct Earth energies as well as all life here.